And here's the Java monsters. Pink girl, gold girl, red boy, green boy. Oh yes, you're adorable, you guys. And they are just gorgeous, gorgeous puppies. Where's red boy? Alright, you're gonna be... Hi, red puppy. Hi, red puppy. Oh, you're cute, pink girl. Gold girl. Oh, nasty. Green boy. I suspected you were the nipper. One of them bit red collar and gave him a nice little bump. I think we have our culprit. Yes, it's you. Yes, gold collar girl. Paris. Yes, Paris. That's red collar boy. Green collar boy. He's going to need a lot of soft, chewy toys. Oh, what a ham. Where's pink girl? She's so cute, too. Here she is. Oh, yes, your sweetheart, pink girl. One of our past puppy buyers sent us up some toys. That was one of them. Pups just seem to love it. The other thing they like is those keys. When you get a set of them, you'll have a happy puppy. I know, you're going to be spoiled. Yes, you are. There's Gold Puppy. Did Auntie Ruby come to say hi? Did Auntie Ruby come to say hi? Yeah. They're gonna eat your hair. What'd you expect? You got your ear right there, you monkey. I'm told from the videos you can't tell how big they are, but trust me, they're pretty big. Yeah. Once I set up the tripod and get in, but oh, you guys are really mouthy now. As you can see, this is proof of the success of our toilet training. This is the patent pending whelping box we designed and built. It doesn't hold smell, so they're not going to be coming back here time and time again. And there's the poopy area, which you can see they're using really reliably by the time they go home to you. Good girl! I was neglect on praising you soon enough. Good girl! So that's my goal, is to have simulated going outside and peeing and pooing. And they go in there and pee and poo all the time. Oh. Green, you're big and beautiful for sure. Were you growling? Not my pink girl. No. Hi, sweetie. Hi, princess. Yeah. Looks like the boys are playing with the boys and the girls playing with the girls. Oh, Miss Ruby's nose is out of joint. She's not in any of these videos. Hi, puppies.